Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Baking powder is called backpulver. The difference between baking powder and baking soda is that baking powder has bicarbonate of soda and cream of tartar. Baking soda only contains bicarbonate of soda.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Oetker baking powder ingredients: sodium acid pyrophosphate, sodium bicarbonate, cornstarch. It is not strictly interchangeable with American double-acting baking powder. The double-acting baking powder has a fast-acting acid, reacts at room temperature to moisture, and a slow-acting acid, reacts when heated.
Take our lead.
Baking soda is much stronger than baking powder. To make baking powder, mix 1 part baking soda and 2 parts cream of tartar. So, if your recipe calls for 1 tablespoon of baking powder, use 1 teaspoon of baking soda, mixed in with 2 teaspoons of cream of tartar.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.